Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Pathao and confirming you're in the same account that made the booking. Once you see the active trip card, tap it to expand details. This shows driver, vehicle, and fare. If you need to cancel immediately, press the visible Cancel button. Don't hesitate. Make sure you glance at the ETA and pickup spot so you don't cancel by accident. This first action prevents no-shows and starts the cancellation flow quickly. After pressing Cancel, you'll be prompted to choose a reason. Pick the one that matches the situation because Pathao uses that to assign fees. Once a reason is selected, the app shows any cancellation charge. Read it carefully, since some charges appear after a short grace period. If you prefer, contact the driver through call or chat before confirming. This can avoid unnecessary charges. Then tap Confirm to finalize. That triggers once canceled. Watch for an in-app confirmation and a push notification. This proves the trip is closed. You should next check trips or receipts to see if a cancellation fee was applied and monitor your payment method for refunds. Refunds can take 24 to 72 hours depending on your bank. If the trip still shows active or you were charged incorrectly, go to Help and pick Canceled Trips, or submit a support ticket with the trip ID. That lets Pathao correct billing quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.